Today we are discussing the scenario-based interview questions for network administrator engineers. These are scenario-based complex interview questions. You can download the complete list of scenario-based questions from the link provided in the description. Now moving towards the scenario based on the topic VPN implementation with DM VPN. Our first scenario is your organization has multiple branch offices and you are tasked with implementing a secure and scalable solution for connecting these branches over the internet. Design and configure a dynamic multi-point virtual private network (DM) VPN to provide a flexible and dynamic way of establishing secure connections between branch offices. Being a CCNA network administrator, what will be your solution? Our first solution is design the DM VPN topology. Plan the DM VPN topology considering the locations of branch offices and the hub. Determine the IP addressing scheme for the DM VPN network. Our second solution is configure the hub router. Configure the hub router with the necessary DM VPN settings. Use the crypto ISA KMP, crypto IPsec transform set and crypto map commands to define the phase 1 and phase 2 settings for the VPN encryption. Create a tunnel interface for DM VPN and assign an IP address. Our third solution is configure spoke routers. Configure each spoke router with the DM VPN settings. Set up the same phase 1 and phase 2 settings as the hub. Create tunnel interfaces on each spoke router specifying the IP address of the hub as the destination. Fourth solution. Implement Next Hop Resolution Protocol NHRP. Enable NHRP on the DMVPN hub and spoke routers. Use the IP NHRP commands to define NHRP settings, such as authentication and mapping. Verify NHRP mappings using the SODM VPN command. Our fifth solution is Dynamic Routing Protocol Configuration. Choose a dynamic routing protocol, for example EIGRP and OSPF, to dynamically exchange routing information between the DM VPN routers. Configure the routing protocol on the tunnel interface and advertise the internal networks. Sixth solution. Quality of Service QoS configuration. Implement QoS on the DM VPN interfaces to prioritize VPN traffic. Use the QoS pre-classify command to ensure that the QoS policies consider the inner IP header. Apply QoS policies to prioritize critical traffic over the VPN. Seventh solution. Implement IPsec profiles. Configure IPsec profiles on the DM VPN routers to simplify the application of IPsec settings. Use the crypto ISA KMP profile and crypto IPsec profile commands. Associate the profiles with the respective interfaces. Its solution: backup and redundancy. Implement backup DMVPN hubs for redundancy. Configure spoke routers with multiple hub addresses using the backup interface or backup delay commands. Regularly backup DMVPN configurations for quick recovery in case of a failure. Our ninth solution is monitoring and troubleshooting. Set up monitoring tools to track the status and performance of the DMVPN connections. Use commands like socrypto isakmp sa and socrypto ipsec sa for troubleshooting. Analyze logs and debug outputs to identify and resolve any issues. Our 10th solution is documentation and training. Document the DMVPN configuration, including settings, IP addresses, and routing information. Provide training to IT staff on managing and troubleshooting the DMVPN solution. This scenario involves setting up a DMVPN network to securely connect multiple branch offices, requiring attention to encryption, routing, QoS, and redundancy for a robust and scalable solution. If you are preparing for any CCNA based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description. Also, you can download the complete list of scenario based questions from the link provided in the description. For more videos, stay tuned with us.